So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. And now you want to find your C drive. You're going to right click on it and then click on Properties and then click on Security and then click on Advanced. And now this will come up. And now you want to click on Change Permissions and then click on Add. And then click on Select a Principal. And now in this box right here, you want to type in your username. If you don't know it, then you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in net space user. And then click on enter. And it's now going to be showing your username right here. My one is Speedy Tutorials. So I'm going to go back and then type in my username, Speedy Tutorials. Now once you type in your username, you want to click on check names, which is now going to underline your username, and then click on OK. And now you want to tick the box where it says full control, which will now tick everything else, and then click on OK. And then click on apply. And then click on yes. And then continue, 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 continue. And this should not fix your problem.